Good morning, everyone, and we are still in Maina, but we are going somewhere today that we've already been. But the reason why we're going there is because
we've been lots of places before.
We've been everywhere, but this place I've been to recently, we're going to Ross. But the reason why we're going there again is because we got told there's like a vintage car picnic happening this weekend, isn't there? You know us, we love the old cars, we love the old vintage cars. We've been to a couple of car shows, haven't we? You've been to a couple of there's an old car show in Lonnie and stuff we've been to.
I went to the museum there.
Yeah, so we love it. And I think Ross is the perfect setting for this because it's autumn and the trees are beautiful and the overhang, I think it's Church Street or something like that. It's beautiful. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm not sure what to expect because you don't know much about it, just what I've told you. But we've got to be there in an hour and a half, so I better get moving because we're probably about that away.
Yes, we're an hour and 20.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's get going.
Let's get going. I haven't been to Ross for a while.
No, you haven't been to Ross for a while.
You've been to Ross.
It's lovely. I don't mind at all.
And we still haven't managed pumpkin soup there, so hopefully we can get pumpkin soup.
Yeah, they read out twice. Wow, it's foggy today. Look at it, the windscreen.
Yeah.
Even this sort of weather, the lake still looks pretty, eh?
It does. Very nice.
This has been the most random drive. We've been on this dirt road for ages. It's not rough or anything, it's just a long dirt road from Maina to, I guess, Ross.
Yeah.
You're regretting your choices now, aren't you?
Oh, look. I've always wondered what it was like. Now I know, and now I can avoid it.
Yeah, it's quite draining even as a passenger. So I don't know what it's like being a driver, just watching out for wildlife and stuff like that.
Yeah, because it's a bit overcast today. There's a little bit more
they think it's
hockey stuff around.
Sunrise still.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still
that twilight zone for
them. But anyway, we're almost there. Another 25 minutes to go. All right, I'm finally off that road. I think
won't be doing that one again.
No. But we're coming into Ross a different way, and I think we're going to go over the Ross Bridge, which I'm excited about that. I don't think we've been on it. Yeah, there it is there.
Yay.
Look at all the colours, though. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I think this is prettier than last time I was here. The trees are yellower.
Colours richer.
Yeah. Hey.
Looks like some life in here in the town.
How pretty. Yeah, look at all the people.
Minis.
I'm excited.
MX5 gang.
Little minis and... Oh, wow, look at the light. Look at these.
Look at the whole street.
Oh, wow.
Oh, let's do a drive-by.
Let me just open this window. This is cool. Look at this. That's amazing.
Oh, there's Lindy.
There's our friend. Look how beautiful the street is. Absolutely stunning.
We'll park up in the leaves over there.
Yeah. Oh, it's worth coming.
I think so.
Oh, look at those ones over there. The actual vintage ones.
A lot of caravans here.
This is going to be a good day, guys. It's going to be a good... Wow, I can't believe how much it's changed since last time I was here. It only was a couple of weeks. Not even that.
Yeah.
So here's how Ross picnic works, is that everyone just brings their cars, parks in random bits of Ross, I suppose. And when we drove past, we saw little clusters of certain cars that were the same put together. So this is really cool. So this is the first one we're coming to. And I'll just have to ask Tim what these ones are. So here is the collection of the MGs. How cool are they?
Yeah, pretty cool.
I actually didn't realise they looked like this. I thought they all looked like that one at the end.
These are the really early ones.
They're really nice, though, aren't they? It really sets it off with the autumn colours.
It does. It's lovely. It's very English.
It's very nice.
And the old English buildings.
Oh yeah.
Oh, English style. The stone
English
buildings.
style, yeah. That in the background. Nice. Looks like you're matching the street of Ross today.
Yeah. I got it especially. Been waiting for just this season.
Well, so you can blend in.
Yeah, so I can blend in. Lay on the floor and do.
We'll have to
snow
wear
angels.
red now and jackets. We'll
Yeah.
have to get red jackets. And Lindy, what's your favourite old car?
You like the Mercs,
The Mercs, yeah.
Mercedes.
I love just seeing them all lined up, like along this street. It's amazing. I'm surprised there's no bikes here, like motorbikes.
Might be further down.
Yeah. Now just next to me here is all the little minis. They are so cute. When I was younger, I always wanted a mini or a little VW Beetle. But these ones are absolutely immaculate. The paint job on these cars, pristine. Looks like they have pumpkin soup. We are in luck. There is pumpkin soup today. I am very, very happy. I've missed out on this twice now.
Approved. Very nice.
You enjoying your day so far?
The smell of petrol. Big old V8s. They must be. Well, they're not worrying about the fuel crisis.
No,
I can tell
they're
you that now. Sitting there ticking over, just blah blah blah.
So we finally got the pumpkin soup in that cafe. You know what, guys? I wouldn't rave about it. It was just pumpkin soup.
It was nice, but the sourdough was a bit stingy, especially for $15.
I wouldn't
Come
rave
on.
about it. Maybe it's just today. Maybe they ran out a little bit. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I'm really enjoying the leaves falling from the trees here
Yeah,
in
it's
Ross.
pretty. It's pretty.
It's like raining on all the old cars and the leaves sitting just on top of them. It looks really, really cool. What a place to have a vintage car show.
It's beautiful to see the seasons changing in Tasmania. We have never had that.
Yeah, no, we
Before
haven't.
we just arrived in a season and left in the season.
Yes, right. Yeah, it is. I can't believe how much it's changed over a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, well worth it. So, here's something to have a look at. Look how big the new cars are compared to the one behind it. It's the old cars. Look how big they've become. That's strange. Check this out. It's a little Morris Minor. What would be like a, what would you call it? A, is a delivery van converted into a little
No, I think they
camper. There's a camper in the back though.
Oh.
So, yeah, how cute is it? Hey, he's the cutest.
1 litre engine.
Yeah. All right, I think we have exhausted Ross. We've been into the wool centre, we've been into the wood shop, which I couldn't show you. It says no filming in there, but we did get little Scrabble pieces that spell out the sand van. We'll put that somewhere in the van later on.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're just gonna have a bit of a wander and
A bit more of a mooch.
yeah, and then
Stroll
we'll
down memory lane with the old cars.
yeah, and we'll see you back at the van, guys. Time for us to head off, guys. We're off to Campbelltown because it's only a 9-minute drive from here. But what a beautiful day. We heard from our friends that there's meant to be more cars here because they
It's
have.
usually more packed. And
Yeah,
some
there's
of the paddocks are full.
Yeah, paddocks are full and stuff like that. But I think the rain is. It's not really raining, but I guess the threat of rain would have.
It was forecast like 15 to 25 mil today, so it's
Scared
like, it
people.
hasn't turned up. Fortunately, it's been really good, but like, I think it scared a lot of people off just looking at the forecast. I would be. Some of those cars are absolutely immaculate.
Yeah, but how beautiful is these leaves and stuff? Oh, just so pretty.
Yeah, you couldn't have asked for a better backdrop.
What a beautiful day.
Busy day. Woo.
Yeah, it was actually really busy in that cafe. We ended up getting
Let's run
pies.
away from the crowds
Anyway.
now.
Let's go and have a nap. So we're in Campbelltown, and as we were driving here, the van just wasn't performing as it normally would. I think it feels like the turbo's gone or something like that. I'm not sure. Yeah, as we were driving here,
Yeah, just lost all boost.
just lost it all. Boost, yeah. So it's not the problem you thought it was?
No, well, there's nothing
Obvious.
overly obvious. It might be a split turbo pipe, but we've got to pull it apart. Have a look.
We're just not having the best of luck at the moment.
Yeah.
First, if you've missed those episodes, we had a split O-ring in the fuel rail. I wasn't getting any pressure to start the van. We got that fixed. During the tow on that, the skylight came off, so we've had to order one of those as a fix on that. And now today, it's just not running right. But you know what? It all happens in threes, babe. This is the last thing we have to deal with.
You reckon?
It's the last thing. I'm absolutely positive of it. What else can they? We have to think positively. This is the last thing could possibly go wrong with it.
Obviously, it made a mess when the O-ring went.
Oh my gosh!
So I am filthy.
I don't think he was worried about mess when he was fixing it. I didn't worry about mess when he was fixing it either.
Yeah, it needs a jet wash under there.
Yeah.
I need to get something to clean my hands now.
Oh, it is what it is. I'm finding it really fascinating to see all the trees changing, because we have seen Tassie in winter, but we've turned up, seen it all in its wintry stages and then left. So we haven't seen the transitioning stages, and it's actually really, really cool to see. And that's part of the reason why we want to stay here for an entire year, because it has those changing seasons and it's so pretty. But so far, it's worth it. Let me look at Ross today. Anyway, back to the current problem.
Yeah.
Standard. You find the problem is the...
Well, I found a problem. The exhaust pipe seems to be blowing.
I can't see you. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, the down pipe, the first pipe seems to be blowing quite loudly. It's like the joints come apart, so I'll get a garage to have a look at that and put it back for us. We're going somewhere like Tyre Power or Kmart or something like that, you know, one of the my car.
Yeah.
Because it's just an exhaust pipe that needs to be rejointed and pasted up. That's all it needs to be done, and then that should sort the problem out. I think that's probably making the turbo go into limp mode, because I can't find any obvious problems with it.
Okay. Is there one close by?
No. Sunday.
Standard. And it's a long
Sunday.
weekend.
It's a long weekend. We'll just put up with it till Tuesday.
All fun and games, guys. But as I said, this is the third thing. And then that's it. That's it. We can't handle anymore. good. Alright guys, we're going to leave you there. It was a little bit of an unexpected day today. I mean, we went to Ross, that was beautiful, and then a car broke. So, you know, it is what it is. Van life at its finest. But anyway guys, we will see you on the next one. See ya. Peace.